Alright, Hamilton, Jefferson, last time with this debate. Yeah, let the people all know.
Thomas wanna shout at the Federalists. We want a strong national government. Sitting at the top, you and citizens. Man, I got the flow with the Federalists. Strong gov, strong rule. Strong gov with the strong rule. No war, no French. Keep the nation in check.
Tell me how the National Bank was established, taxing all the folks can have trouble with the rebellion, keeping the power in the hands of the rich descendants. Thomas in the office holding them for the benefit. My tariff man is fair game. Think about the industry need protection. Funding at par will get rid of it real quick. Jay's treaty was good enough for a big flag, but your name ain't on it, especially when all you care about is that constitution. Hold back. You act like you care about the poor too. Some say belong to you. In Monticello, I kept it safe from bad immigrants. Alien Sedition Act, remember that? Make it. Secretary of Treasury made it. Bill of Rights. Why don't you trust your own government? Acting like you have a chance, just like Britain, huh? Yeah, French loving wanna be in war, huh? Yeah, acting like embargo acts would help, huh? Yeah, my apologies are assumption, huh?
It's my turn to tell you, Hamilton. I don't wanna call Ehrenberg again. You might just go pop, no one lists tricks. Thought you're breaking grow, but you're Federalist. My life, it's great. Secretary of State, people are free. President number 3.
Lying to your people. Guess I gotta add some Louisiana to the drama. When they hear about my purchase, they gonna jet. Especially when they hear me tell them about your nation's debt. Man, I care about the farmers and I will listen to their wish list. You just wanna kiss the little rich Britain's my witness. Guess I cared about that time when the French Revolution. The same ones that helped us win. Now you're scared of them immigrants. Hey! I fix your mistakes. Virginia and Kentucky revolutions. Let them back in. The Constitution can't sin, boy. You try to proclamation and hit, boy! Don't expect help from the other countries. I want to help the ones who are our buddies. A small government, tyranny can't win. The Bill of Rights is just our protection. My people won, not you Federalists. Democrat, Republican, save the merchant economy. Tribals in war can't flee. Save the ship and got more land up. Make the corporate discovery! Keep the head of our state intelligent.
A little rebellion now and then.
We can't trust the people there, way too selfish.
They're better than you and the government. My rule.
My rule. Implied powers will rule.
My rule.
My rule.
Constitution rules.
Jefferson gonna act like you know me. Hamilton gonna be telling these stories. I wrote the Federalist Papers for us. You shot the Constitution was a bust. I just want to unify the states. I did too. You shoved us in a crate. I built our economy from the ground, but the power of the states is not too sound. You ruined the trade with the British men. Their interest wasn't best at then. I don't think we can agree. Our men are going to flee. We gotta figure this out. My people gotta find out. Political parties will come about. I think that will lead us in the right out. I will call myself a Federalist. Democrat, Republicans on my list.